In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a floating label input field using just HTML and CSS. You've probably seen this effect in modern forms where the label smoothly moves above the input when you start typing. It looks clean, professional, and it's actually really easy to build once you know how. So let's jump right in. So first, make sure to link your CSS file. Now let's make the inputs, one for the username and one for the password. And make sure the type of the first one is text and the second one is password. Now we switch to the CSS file. And when it comes to the style, choose whatever you want. Choose different colors, different size, different fonts. Now let's design the body. Then the input group. And now let's design the label. And finally, let's design the input. As you can see, it works smoothly, and this is it guys. See you next time.